It's not easy. Life in Europe with children is not easy. If I was a single person now. Hey guys, good morning from here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are we doing? Hope we are fine. Happy Sunday wherever you're watching from. It's a Sunday morning. We just woke up. I just woke up and my other daughter, she has woken up since, although we woke up since, she woke up and she woke me up. She wanted to take her tea, her morning tea. She don't joke with that, guys. So I prepared tea for her and I prepared breakfast for my husband and I went back to sleep. Baby girl was with her dad, and when Obi was about going to work, because today he went to work, it's festive season. During Christmas they do work Monday to Sunday. They just have one day off. So he took his off on Thursday and then he has gone to work. So when he was about going to work, he woke me up to take care of baby because he was leaving. Because anytime his father is going out, she always cry that she wants to follow him. So it just woke me up to kind of distract her so that we will be able to leave to work. So I decided to carry you guys along. Since Obi is not at home, we don't want to be lonely. Nobody to talk with, just me and the kids. So I said, let me take you guys along today. That's just a day in our life. Just spend the day with us. And that's it, guys. So we'll be carrying you guys along. Basically everything we are doing today, I will just change their pampers. Baby girl is still sleeping. My little baby is still sleeping, so I will just change their pampers because they don't bathe every day. You know, it's winter. So today I will not be bathing. My other baby will be bathing. The other one will be bathing later in the evening. My little baby, the smaller one, she bathed yesterday, so she will not be bathing again today because winter we don't bathe. I don't know for you guys, so let me know in the comment section, guys. Do you bathe your children every day? If you are in Europe, for Nigeria, yes, morning and evening, 2 times a day is compulsory. But here in Europe, here in Italy, I learned it from other people that had children before me. So they don't bathe their children every day. I think 2-3 times a week is okay. So I have to copy the same thing because of cold, because they don't want cold to enter their body. So that's why they don't bathe every day. So let me know in the comment section if you are in Europe, if you are abroad. Let me know in the comment section how you bathe your children. Do you bathe them every day, or you bathe them once a week, or twice a week, or 3 times a week? Depends on you. Just let me know in the comment section, guys. Today is Sunday, so we didn't go to church because Obi has to go to work. So we are following Pastor Jerry online. We follow the service. So that's how we do it. Anytime we don't go to church, so we just follow service online. So I followed first service in the morning before I went back to sleep. That was 7 a.m. this morning. So I think this is a first service or second service. I don't know.
We build this castle of sand. We hear the rush in the wind. Yeah, we were closer than friends. I hope that we could withstand. But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening?
So guys, I just finished changing my kids and pampers. They already changed their pampers, so now I'll be going over to take care of myself. I have to brush my teeth and then take a shower and then look for something to eat.
We'd build this castle of sand. We'd hear the rush in the wind. Now we have come to an end. I hope that we'd stay on land. But now when I fall and when I cry, wish that to pick me up. When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top?
So guys, I'm done bathing. Before I finished bathing, baby woke up, so I breastfed her. She's on her bed there. There's a bed that I use. Let me show you guys. So that's the bed I normally put her when I'm cooking in the kitchen. But as you can see, as you can hear her voice, she doesn't want to stay on the bed. She wants me to carry her on my hand, and that is not possible for now because I need to eat. I've not eaten since morning, and it's already past 11. It's 11:47. Yeah, 11:47, and I've not had my breakfast. So I have to prepare breakfast. And Winnie, my other baby, my older daughter, she's already crying that she wants to eat because I told you guys that she drank tea in the morning before we went back to sleep. So she said she wants to eat now. So I want to make a little pasta for her now, and I will make I think a toasted bread for myself, just to have something in my stomach. So if you have watched this extent, you are amazing. God bless you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and if this is your first time, if you just came across this channel now, thank you so much for coming. Please, you will not regret being here. Just subscribe, turn your notification bell so that whenever we upload, you will not miss any of our videos. Baby girl refused to stay on her bed, so I have to put her in my back now so that it will be very, very quick for me to prepare what I want to prepare.
We hear the rush in the wind. Yeah, we were closer than friends. I hope that we could withstand. But now when I fall and when I cry, who's there to pick me up? When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surf is listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening? Is someone out there listening?
So guys, I finished preparing the pasta for my baby.
We'd build this castle of
Done toasting my bread, and my baby is already eating. I want to drink more. I haven't drank more for like I think for like 4 months. Yes, I was drinking it when I got pregnant earlier, but later the odor was no longer friendly, so I had to stop drinking it because it was making me want to throw up. So I stopped taking more.
the roaring surf is listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there?
Hey guys, this is about 3 or 4 hours later. I think I last carried the camera when I was eating when we were eating. I was eating my toasted bread. After eating, I was so tired I was to sleep, but when he refused to sleep, so I have to darken everywhere. That's why you saw me, the video was a bit dark when I carried the camera earlier. I had to go and on the lights because it's already past 4. I think it's 4:30 now. I think so. It's already past 4. It's already 49. So I just woke up now. The guests, they are still sleeping because I have to prepare dinner. I did not even eat lunch. That toasted bread and malt I drank, I just left off. I had to darken everywhere, and then she slept and both of them started sleeping, so I have to quickly join them and sleep. I woke up first because I have to start preparing food. Obi will soon come back. I called him earlier. He said he would want to eat rice and beans, and me, I don't like rice and beans, jollof rice, but that's what he said he wants to eat, so I just have to prepare it for him. The guests are still sleeping. Let me quickly rush down to the kitchen and start preparing dinner for us. It's not easy. Life in Europe with children is not easy. If I was a single person now, I'll probably just walk down to McDonald's and then get something for me to eat. See them, they are sleeping. Even my little one, she's there. I just have to put them close to myself so that we will just sleep, because I needed to sleep. I just needed that sleep. So I'm going to start with the beans because the beans will take a longer time to cook. So I'll be starting with the beans. I will start cooking the beans first. Then I'll prepare my meat. I'll be preparing the meat. The meat, I brought it out from the freezer because I didn't intend to cook anything today, any fresh food today. Oh God, my husband likes to eat fresh food. You just cook food, after 2 days you will not eat that food again, and it's so tiring, it's not easy.
Stay on land. But now when I fall and when I cry, wish that it'd pick me up. When all of my tears are running dry, who'll take me back to the top? The waves come crashing in, the roaring surface listening, echoes lost again. Is someone out there listening?
Guys, my breast is charging. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. As in, my breast is a kind of just charging. It's like water is entering, the milk is entering or pumping. I don't just know how to explain this, but I know a lot of mothers, or all mothers, feel this sensation, as this feeling that I'm just feeling now. And then when I was growing up, my mother usually said that anytime your breast is doing like that, it means that if your baby is asleep. Sometimes I will go with my mom to the market and she will like, let's quickly go home because my breast is giving me sign that baby is already awake. I was asking her how did you know that? I said her breast, with the feeling she have in her breast, so she will know that her baby is awake or crying. So that's what's happening to me now. So let me know in the comment section, guys, do you feel the same way, or do you think that what my mom said is true, that anytime it's like that it means that baby is crying? But sometimes when my own does like that, I will just quickly run inside. Maybe when I'm in the kitchen and my breast is just feeling like that, I'll quickly run inside the room to check if my baby is sleeping inside, to just check up on her. And sometimes she will just be turning, sometimes she will really be awake, sometimes she will be crying. Maybe she just woke up and she didn't hear the sound of anybody around, she will be crying. But sometimes it will still be happening like that and she will not be crying, she will still be asleep. So let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think? Is it true that anytime you are feeling that feeling in your breast that kind of charging, do you think it's really because baby is crying or baby needs your attention? Just let me know in the comment section below, guys. Okay, let me know, because sometimes it works, Sometimes baby needs my attention. My breast will just be feeling like that, and I will quickly just run inside. So I don't know about you guys. My baby is awake. I just went inside to check and I saw that this one was already awake. Winnie was already awake. The older one is already awake. The smaller one is already Tony. She wants to wake up, so I just quickly want to prepare milk for her. And then this one is already doing she needs something to eat. Let me just pick up something for her.
We'd build this castle of sand. We'd hear the rush in the wind. Now we have come to an end.
Thank you so much for watching this extent. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Like this video. If these are the kind of video you want to be seeing on my channel, so let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.